got ourselves a pretty decent truck stop here, right off of I-94, exit 333 in Sturtevant, Wisconsin. It's a mobile station with some food stuff attached to it, including a Danish bakery. It's kind of big out here. Blue Badger Bar and Grill and a Taco Bell. The O&H Danish bakery is big out here. Let's check this out. Crispy, crunchy chicken. Ooh, there's some good stuff here, including a patty melt. Future food vlog, anyone? Yeah, these Kringles are huge out in southeastern Wisconsin and kind of originated around Racine. They are not cheap and you can't get them at Woodman's. Here's your Taco Bell. Here's your Dunkin'. How much do these cost? Not really sure if they say. There's some cranes up there. This place is always giving me Service Plaza vibes. This is almost like mini Buc-ee's. This place is huge. And oh yeah, I did notice all the license plates on the wall here. How awesome is that? Defense. And yeah, they're all Wisconsin. It is a full-on truck stop. They got showers. Apparently they have urgent care here too. But as far as I can tell, it's not one of the name brand ones, like TA or Love's. It's just a huge mobile gas station. I want to know what's going on upstairs. I'm assuming that's the Blue Badger Bar and Grill. First I thought maybe it was a big arcade. Well, there's your little mini arcade. But yeah, this is definitely the bar and grill up here. This place is awesome. This is a little north, obviously, of the world's largest Quick Trip. May as well use the restroom while we're out here. So yeah, look for the mobile station off exit 333 on I-94. Sturtevant, Wisconsin, close to Racine.